In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discount in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your discount shows up correctly on your customer's invoice. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Move your cursor to the Create or New menu at the top left of the page. Don't click just yet. Hovering reveals your transaction options so you can jump straight into what you need. From that menu, select Invoice to open a fresh invoice form. This is where you'll build the bill your customer will receive. At the top of the invoice, choose your customer from the Customer dropdown. If the customer already exists, just pick them from the list. This keeps their address, terms, and email ready to go, and ensures the transaction is tied to the right account in your books. Now, add your product or service. In the line item area, click the Products Service field and choose the item you're billing for. Using set items ensures the correct income account and default rate are applied automatically, which helps your reporting and saves time in the future. In the description field, enter a clear note about what you're charging for. This might mirror your product or service name, but it can also include project details, dates, or unique notes that help your customer understand the charge without any back and forth. Next, enter the rate. This is your price per unit, hourly rate per item, or any other pricing basis you use. Make sure it reflects the agreed price for this invoice. If your product or service has a default rate, confirm it's correct for this job. Add the amount. In many cases, QuickBooks calculates this for you based on quantity times rate. If you need to override it, you can type the amount directly so the line reflects the exact total before any discount. Now enter the discount. Look for the discount field below the subtotal. You can type either a percentage or a flat amount, and QuickBooks will reduce the subtotal accordingly. If you don't see a discount field, it may be turned off in your form settings. Enabling it there will make it appear on future invoices. Double check whether the discount should apply before or after tax based on your local rules and your agreement with the customer. When everything looks right, click Save. You can choose Save and Close to keep working later, or Save and Send to email the invoice right away. That's it. Your invoice now includes a clear, professional discount, calculated and recorded properly in QuickBooks Online.